In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Black Friday discounts countdown timer to your Shopify store. Adding a countdown timer is a simple way to build urgency and let shoppers know when your Black Friday discounts begin. In this tutorial, you will place the timer inside your Shopify theme using a custom liquid section. You do not need to change the overall look of your store. You only need to add the countdown code and save your theme so it displays on the storefront. First, click Online Store. In your Shopify admin dashboard, this is usually where you manage the parts of your store that customers see. Take a moment to make sure you are looking at the section that includes your themes and theme settings. Next, click Edit Theme. This step opens the theme editor, which is where you can add sections and update templates. If you have more than one theme, double-check you are editing the correct one, ideally the live theme, or the theme you are actively using. Now, under Template, click Add Section. This is an important part of the process because you are telling Shopify where the new content block should live. Templates control how different pages of your store are built, so selecting the right template helps the timer appear on the pages you want, such as your home page or a specific landing page. After that, click Custom Liquid. You are choosing a section that can display your own code. This is the mechanism Shopify provides to let you embed scripts and custom markup without needing to edit theme files directly. At this point, you should see an area where you can paste content. Now add your countdown timer code. Carefully copy the full countdown timer snippet into the custom liquid editor. Make sure you paste it exactly as provided, including any opening and closing tags. If there is an option for liquid or HTML, keep the content exactly in the code box, since that is what Shopify will render on the storefront. Before moving on, it is a good idea to pause for a moment and review what you just pasted. Confirm that the timer code is present and not partially cut off. Also confirm that there are no missing characters that could prevent the countdown from working properly. Small formatting mistakes can sometimes stop JavaScript from running, so a quick check can save time later. Next, click Save. This applies your changes to the theme, which means Shopify will now include the countdown timer section as part of the template you selected. After you save, give the system a moment to update. Depending on your store size and theme complexity, it may take a few seconds for everything to refresh. Once you click Save, you have completed the main setup steps. The timer is now added to your Shopify theme through a custom liquid section, and it will appear wherever that section has been configured within the selected template. To wrap up, you clicked Online Store, opened the theme editor with Edit Theme, added a section under Template, chose Custom Liquid, pasted your countdown timer code, and finished by clicking Save. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.